couple of different wrenches in my new toolbox. Both of them are adjustable, which is a really cool life hack tie-in. Sometimes in life you need to be adjustable. So I have a wrench story. I was down visiting my parents, who live in a wonderful home that is 40 years old, and it had the original faucets in the bathrooms. And when I went to wash my hands in the bathroom one day, the little attachment on the bottom of the faucet that is called an aerator, makes the water not splash so much. It was so filled with mineral buildup that when you turn on the water, it created a spray and was spraying me directly when I turned on the water to wash my hands. So I said, oh, self, I know how to replace an aerator. We did that when I was working in the janitorial team at BYU one summer. So I started to try to undo the aerator and realized, actually, this whole faucet needs to be replaced. So I started on a faucet replacement mission. And long story short, about 3 or 4 trips to Home Depot later, and with the help of my very competent handyman brother-in-law, we got 2 bathroom faucets replaced and put back together. So the moral of the story is, sometimes you think you can DIY and sometimes you need a little bit of help or a lot of help. For example, in this situation, when I was talking to my dad about this, he also pointed out, sometimes we have the tools we need and sometimes we need new tools. Sometimes we know what tools we need, but we don't know where to find them, which was the case in the faucet repair. The brother-in-law was very competent, and my dad knew where to find the tools, and he had them. I knew what needed to be done, but I didn't know which tools to use or where to find them, so I needed a lot of help on what I thought was going to be a DIY project. And thinking about the life challenges that I've had, I'd have to say that was true in a lot of those cases too. I knew what I needed to do, but I didn't know what tools I needed. And I needed help finding them. And so with the help of doctors, therapists, church leaders, friends, life coaching, and a lot of love and encouragement, I feel like I've been blessed to find people that could show me the tools and show me how to use them. So hopefully 1 or 2 of these videos that I've been putting together can help you find tools if you need them, help you find direction on where to find help to learn how to use the tools, to be able to make a repair if you need to make a repair, find new ways that are better and more healthy to think about things and think about life. And sending my love and hugs as you figure it out, learn your tools, find people who can show you how to use them.